Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. One of my old subscribers, thank you. If you're new, kindly subscribe and stick around, okay? Join the family. But guys, yes, we're doing borehole for the farm. Yes, when there's no infrastructure in places, you have to find ways of getting things done. Your electricity, your water source. Yes, and after research, we decided to go with borehole. So here they are doing geophysics so they can find out where they can get the most water on our lot. So yes, this video is all about that. So stick around and let's get into the video. So the process of getting borehole was done in 3 stages for us. First, they came to do the geophysics test, then they dropped off materials, and then they came back with a rake maybe a week or so later to actually dig the borehole, okay, and put the piping and everything, the blue pipes that you saw. And then after that, the next day, they come back and install the pump and do some testing to make sure that the quality of the water you're getting is good and not too salty. And yeah, and after that, you have your borehole. So stick around and enjoy this video. So finally the rig is on site and they're setting up to start digging, and that is Ajoba in the video. She's the one that headed the whole operation. Yes, as much as she's a hardworking woman, but we had our own customer service issues. So yeah, I'll probably talk about that later. But hey, that's the common thing in Ghana. Customer service is so non-existent, and when you come from the Western world, you're basically fighting tooth and nail and nothing really happens, right? So it is what it is. These gentlemen work super hard. They manually lift everything manually, and they work so hard. And apparently I like to talk to employees to find out, business ideas. So I was talking to them, and the guy that just jumped off the machine, he's Indian, and he said that's owned by his family business. And the thing is, he manages the machine, and then the Ghanaian guys do the manually heavy jobs, okay? And I was talking to another driver, and he said when they make one borehole, they get paid 30 Ghana cedis. Wow, 30 Ghana cedis, all that work. And that was the driver. I don't know about the guys working, but that's what he told me. I'm like, wow. And he said we spend weeks on site. We get 50 Ghana for hotel, and most of the time we don't fit in the hotel, so we end up sleeping it's oh my gosh. Well, anyways, I digress. But I like to talk to them, and sometimes it bothers me, but it is what it is, right? So yeah, let's get back to the borehole. As you can see, they've started digging, okay? So watch the magic happen. And another thing they do is, as they dig, they collect sample of the sand. So if you see the guy, he just got the top sand, so he's arranging it there, and as time goes on, you see changing from that red sand to more like silver kind of color. Okay, I don't know if that's the right term, silver, but I'm sure there's a term for it, but I don't know the technical term, so I'll describe it as it looks more silver. And that's because I think Adroba explained that it's hidden the granite under the ground, so that's when the color of the stone sand changes to more granite looking grayish color. And yes, I'm very much aware that these guys are working without the proper working gear, but I hired them to do a job. I have no control about the working condition, but I will, however, relay my concern about that and see if that something can be done. Most people, even during the construction, the guys are working, none of them work with the proper gear. So it's kind of normal here in Ghana. So you can try and talk to the job owners. And by the way, if I ever start a business like that, my workers are going to have the proper gear, because safety first. Okay, so yeah, I know some of you will bring it up, and I do understand, but I had no control over that. I literally just contracted them to come do a borehole for me, and how they come has nothing to do with me. Okay,
drilling the borehole, and I'm here supervising. Okay, so here we go. They're bringing the pipes. They're taking those metal pipes that they use 3 to drill, so they're taking it out.
yes, we're finally starting to hit the water. As you can see, it's splashing as they dig, so that's a good sign that we're starting to hit the water underground after digging out sand upon sand. See, so now he's going to take a piece and go put it there for sample. That's what he just did. As you can see, the color of the sand coming up has changed greatly. Can you see? It has changed from very red to silverish grayish. Okay, so that's the granite. The drilling has, landed on a granite, so it's breaking it down, I guess, and it comes up. And literally, I was standing there, and the water splashing. You see like something like crystals on your body. Okay, so I was asking, oh, why do I have crystals? And I was told that's the granite. And yeah, it's true, I had granite countertop, and they have little crystals in them, like sparkly little things. So yeah, that's what that is. Interesting. Do you see the water splashing? Yeah, it was like everywhere in my hair, my face. It's no joke. That's why those guys use the scarf to cover their faces and all that. Yes, guys, this is what I'll explain. You see the first one, and then as it goes on, the color changes. Okay, so it's super interesting. So I was counting, so I wanted to see how deep they had dug so far. So that's what it is. As they began to dig, Adroba is also there. She has a timer, and then I think she's checking how many ml of water we get per minute or some few seconds. So that's what she's there doing, and to see how the water is flowing. So that's what they're doing right there. Yes, I think she was checking her developmental yielding. Okay, so that's what she was doing. Developmental yielding, that's what she was checking. As you probably heard, one of the guys working with the lady is telling me how much I have so much water, and I said that's good news. So that's what they're doing. They're checking. You see, they put a pipe there, and they have the bucket, and they've seen how much it flows. She's timing it and all that. So it's good news. There's lots of water there. So that was good. Initially, they were supposed to dig about 100 feet, but which is about 20 pipes or something, 19 pipes. But after the 11th one, or the 10th one, Ajoba said that the water content was getting salty, so she decided to stop. Okay, so I'm trusting her professional judgment. I'm hoping that it was a good call and I won't run into any issues. But so far, no issues, but it's new, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. She did the test and she said it's getting salty, so she stopped at 10. So now that they've checked the flow of the water and the quality of the water, it's ready. So now they're inserting the pipes. As you can see, the blue pipes. They use the metal things to dig, and then after they check all the tests and everything is okay, then they insert the blue plumbing pipes. Okay. So yeah, that's it. All the pipes are in. Now they're packing up. They're gonna put cement around the pipe to secure it and then fill it with sand and then cover it up. And then tomorrow morning, Ajoba and her crew will come back and then put the pump in the pipe and then do some testing, hook up some electrical stuff, and then pump to see if the water is flowing. And then we're set. We have a borehole. Technically, we could have finished everything today, but the reason why the rig packed up and left, and Ajoba needed to go with them because we were supposed to get another borehole on our another plot of land, but unfortunately we packed up. The rig went there, and the rig couldn't go up the hill to our future home, so we didn't end up doing the second borehole. I'm still waiting to get it done. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back soon with the second part of this video to show you how they insert the pump and do the pump test to make sure the water is flowing. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so thank you again. I know I say thank you a lot, but I appreciate all your support. I love you, and until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day.
We're doing Saturday. That's what I'm spending my Saturday doing. Okay, so yeah. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Like, share, and tell your friends about my channel. Thank you. Bye.